Today we're diving deep into the world of HVAC upgrades and how you can navigate through the maze of confusion to maximize your energy efficiency and savings. I'm your host, Mike Solomon. Stepping into the world of HVAC upgrades can feel overwhelming, but fear not. We're here to guide you through it. Let's cut through the confusion immediately. IID Rebates for HVAC system components are here to lighten your load. In this piece, we're unraveling the secrets behind how snagging these rebates can slash your expenses and enhance your home's energy thriftiness. First up, let's talk about understanding IID's rebate program. The heart of IID's rebate program is its aim to encourage homeowners toward more eco-friendly choices. Through financial perks for selected items like cooling systems and parts of the HVAC setup, IID not only assists in cutting immediate costs, but also diminishes energy use over time. A win-win. But how do you qualify for these rebates? It's not just about buying any energy-efficient gadget off the shelf. There are specifics you'll need to adhere to. Each product or system must fulfill defined requirements related primarily to its efficiency ratings and certifications. Energy Star's advice can guide your shopping towards gadgets that meet the mark, boosting both your wallet and home coziness. Now, let's talk about installation tips for energy-efficient systems. Proper installation plays a huge role in achieving maximum efficiency. And securing those sweet rebates isn't just about buying the right equipment, it's also about how well they're put in place. Prioritize professional installation to ensure everything runs smoothly from the get-go. And always double-check that all components meet IID's criteria before purchase. Getting your hands on IID rebates can feel like hitting a minor jackpot, but sometimes the path to claiming these savings is less straightforward than you'd hope. That's where mastering the art of navigating IID customer service becomes crucial. Knowing what you're entitled to is half the battle won. Have all necessary documents ready before reaching out, and if emails or calls seem like they're disappearing into the void, visiting their official website often provides alternative contact methods.
One of the most important parts of your home's efficiency and comfort is the insulation. Oftentimes, we don't think about our insulation because it's behind walls and in ceilings, but it adds so much value to your home. If your home is 10, 15, 20 years old, or you've had work up in your attic, there's a good chance your insulation has been disturbed. You may need to update your insulation or get even all new insulation. The more insulation you have, the more healthy your home's going to be, the less energy it's going to be, and the more comfortable your house is going to be. But how do you find out if your insulation needs to be updated? Well, we have a solution, giving you the information you need to make a good, sound decision. Click below or call us at Anthem Air Conditioning, and we'll take care of your air conditioning and insulation needs.
Finally, let's explore IID's innovative tools designed to keep you ahead. The IID mobile app allows you to manage your energy consumption with ease, while helpful websites like Energy Saver by DOE offer insights into conducting home energy audits yourself. And there you have it, mastering HVAC upgrades and maximizing your energy efficiency with IID rebates is within your reach. Remember, save big with rebates, get smart about installations, smooth out support hiccups, and leverage tech to manage energy better. If taking control of your home's comfort while saving money sounds good, then harnessing these insights is your next move. Don't forget to check out Anthem's Comfort Club for year-round HVAC maintenance and exclusive perks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay cozy.